Students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is revision of construction of quadrilaterals. In this class, we are going to revise construction of a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. This class you are going to watch on 16th January 2021. Now, we will do this construction by taking one example. Let us say we are going to construct a quadrilateral called LIFT with the measures of LI being 4 centimeter, IF of 3 centimeter, TL of 2.5 centimeter, LF of measure 4.5 centimeter, at last IT of 4 centimeter. Children, with the letters given LIFT in a quadrilateral, we know that LI is one side known to us, IF is another side known to us, F next T is third side, FT is not given to us, but TL is known to us. So, LI is of 4 centimeter, IF is of 3 centimeter, TL is of 2.5 centimeter, and we are not given TF side, whereas we are given LF diagonal which is of 4.5 centimeter and IT diagonal which is of 4 centimeter. So, we need to construct this quadrilateral LIFT when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Write down this information, draw a rough sketch, then we will go for construction. Students, here we are given a quadrilateral LIFT to construct with the LI 4 centimeter, IF 3 centimeter, LT 2.5 centimeter, LF one diagonal 4.5 centimeter, IT another diagonal of 4 centimeter. Now, we will go for constructing it. Here I have drawn a rough sketch for you. First step of constructing this quadrilateral is, with the help of ruler, draw one of the important diagonals. Here LF and IT are diagonals. How you can identify them? They are diagonals. In the given letter order, alternate letters will provide diagonals, continuous letters will provide sides. LI is a side, IF is a side, FT is a side, TL is a side. But LF alternate letters diagonal will be represented by them. LF is one diagonal, IT is another diagonal. So, I am drawing here LF taking 4.5 centimeter as the measure of line segment. I have drawn a diagonal L F. It is of 4.5 centimeter. Now, after drawing this line segment LF, I am given two sides called LI side and IF side. So, I will make use of them, that is LI side, IF side 3 centimeter to construct triangle LIF. LIF I will get with the help of measure of LI and IF. You know how to construct a triangle with 3 sides known. First, I will use a pair of compasses to construct an arc of measure 4 centimeter. So, here I am measuring 4 centimeter as the radius of a compass. So, I got 4 centimeter as the radius of compass. Considering L as the center of compass, I am constructing an arc of measure 4 centimeter. Now, with the IF measure as the radius of compass, we will go for constructing another arc Now, I got 3 centimeter as the measure of the radius in the compass. I am taking F as the center and just cut the earlier arc. Now, this point of intersection of arcs is I. If I join this I to L and F, I got a triangle formed. This triangle LIF is one part of the quadrilateral. It is of measure 4 centimeter. LI, IF, it is of the measure 3 centimeter. Now, see children, it is very evident that in the quadrilateral LIFT, to the diagonal, one side I will have one of the vertex and the opposite side I will have another vertex, where these two vertices are opposite vertices. Thus, those two by joining I will get another diagonal. So, I know the measure of another diagonal, that is 4 centimeter. So, that means IT I know, and another LT I know. I will make use of these two measures, that is LT measure and IT measure, that is diagonal measure, another diagonal measure, to find out that point T. So, again I am using a pair of compasses to find the vertex T. First, I am taking measure of IT, that is 4 centimeter as the radius of compasses, and taking I as the center, I drew an arc. Now, I will take 2.5 centimeter as measure of, again compasses, radius of compass, I am considering it as 2.5 centimeter. Now, with the measure of this 2.5 centimeter, that is LT, L will become the center of the metal end, the compass, and with the radius of 2.5 centimeter, I had cut the earlier drawn arc. This point of intersection of arcs gives me the point T. Now, if I join LT, this is of 2.5 centimeter, and you know, if I join FT, I will get the quadrilateral, but I am not given measure of FT, but I know here measure of IT. This measure of IT is 4 centimeter. This is another diagonal. So, this is how we construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides are given and another 2 diagonals are given. Okay. So, this is one construction, one of the important construction called SSDD in short. Okay. So, we will go for another construction of type of quadrilateral in this called SAS. Okay. Students, before going for learning another construction, here steps of construction, very important steps of construction, you can write down. First step, we will draw LF diagonal of measure 4.5 centimeter using ruler. Draw diagonal LF of measure 4.5 centimeter using ruler or a scale, you can say. That is step 1. Coming to this step 2. LI as the radius of compasses of 4 centimeter, draw an arc. Then taking IF as the measure of, as the radius of compasses with the 3 centimeter, cut the earlier arc. Name the point of intersection of arcs as I. Join LI and IF. This becomes step 2. In step 3, since in the quadrilateral LIFT, I and T will lie on the opposite sides of a diagonal LF, taking IT 4 centimeter as the radius of a compass, draw an arc on the opposite side of I. So, you drew an arc. That is step number 3. In step number 4, taking LT side 2.5 centimeter as the measure of radius of compass, as the radius of a compass, cut the earlier arc. Taking L as the center, taking metal end of a compass on the L, it is your sentences. Cut the earlier arc. Name the point of intersection of arcs as T. This is 4th point. Join LT, TF, thus the quadrilateral LIFT formed. So, these are the 4 important steps of constructions to be written. Okay. Now, we will go for another construction of quadrilateral. Students, in the exercise 4.2 we are given very important question called construct a rhombus DEND with the BN of measure 5.6 centimeter, DN of measure 6.5 centimeter. Now, here we are given only measure of 2. Are they sides or diagonals? Question comes. Now, watch the letter BE, EN, ND, DB. They are sides, continuous letters. Alternate letters BN, it is a one diagonal, ED is another diagonal. So, we are given two diagonals. So, when I am given only the diagonals length in rhombus, how can I construct this rhombus? See children, it is very easy construction, as earlier in the case of two diagonals and three sides of a quadrilateral, we took one of the diagonal as a base. Similarly, here I am taking one of the diagonal, let us say 6.5, I will take as the base, D as the base. So, here 6.5 I have taken as a base. Now, in this DE of measure 6.5 centimeter, do we have any speciality? The question comes. Remember children, in a rhombus, we learnt that diagonals bisect each other. That means in a rhombus, not only all sides equal, diagonals bisect each other. So, if I have DE as midpoint O on it, definitely BN will also have O as midpoint. So, I will use this concept, diagonals bisect each other, and they do not bisect alone, they bisect perpendicularly. So, the angle here is 90 degrees. If you watch, each angle here is 90 degrees. So, I am going to use this concept. So, with the help of compasses, I will go for perpendicularly bisecting this line segment. We learnt how to perpendicular bisect a line segment, taking more than half of the measure of the line segment as radius, we will make above and below arcs. Similarly, here taking both the end points as the centers of compasses, we will do this process making above and below. Now, we got 2 points, we will not name them, just join them and make a array or a lines. If I make a line here, then this is the O, as I said, midpoint of DE, and as well as here is a right angle. Now, remember this point N and B must lie on this point, on this line only, where you know measure of BN is 5.6. If I take half of BN, it must be the OB. Why? Because BN measure divided into two equal halves, then only O becomes midpoint. That means 5.6 by 2 will give 2.8 centimeter as OB. That means if I consider now with the help of compasses 2.8, now with a 2.8 I will take O as the center, I will make above this and below I got here points B and N. If I join N to D, N to E, B to E and B to D, I will get rhombus required. So, B E N E N D. That means B E N D rhombus has produced or got constructed. So, this is how we do construction of this special type of a quadrilateral called rhombus with the only two given diagonals. Okay. So, diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Steps of construction is compulsory, you need to write. I will repeat the steps of construction. First, in the rhombus, two diagonals are given. One of the diagonal is to be taken as base. Draw DE of measure 6.5 centimeter as base using ruler. That is step 1. Step number 2, using a pair of compasses, draw the perpendicular bisector of DE. Okay, you have drawn a perpendicular bisector of that DE and let the perpendicular bisector of DE line segment is line L and it intersects DE at O, where O is the midpoint of DE as well as another diagonal BN. Therefore, half of the diagonal, that is 2.8 centimeter, will give us the point B and N. Another diagonal should lie on the line L. Therefore, with the half of the another diagonal as radius of a compasses, O as the center, cut the line, perpendicular bisector line L. It gives point B and point N. Join BD, BED, N and NE. Thus, the quadrilateral or rhombus BE formed. So, children, out of 3 questions of exercise 4.2, I have solved 2 questions. I am giving the another question as homework for you. With this, I will wind up this class. In our next class, we will go for revising another important construction when 3 sides and their included angles are given. Okay, construction of a quadrilateral when 3 sides and their 2 included angles are given. Okay, Jai Hind. Thank you.